Jai Sri Ram. Namaste everyone. We can go towards now today what is the economical status of India. And India has been almost in 2019 we are in 2.87 lakh crores. We are reached above than UK and Canada. The UK, which is ruled us on many years, has almost 200 years. We got 1947 independence. Now today we are the richer than that country. See, the GDP is 2.83 lakh crores, 2.87 lakh crores USD. In rupees, we will convert into 70. We need to do. That is what in rupees you can see, 75 actually. Let we go towards some economical prospect of our India. Uh, we are the middle income developing market economy in GDP, gross domestic product, and also we see that purchasing power, triple P. This is a triple P, which is for market calculation. How much big market is our India is? Third largest market of this world. 11 trillion is our market, so big, bigger than nominal GDP of our nominal GDP is calculated. How much richest country is our country? Okay, so all overall income of everything based on that we will calculate nominal GDP. Sixth largest, because of COVID we become a sixth. Otherwise we will need to be in fifth. This is Mumbai, the financial center of India, which is nearly this GDP is nearly 400 billions, which is almost very equal to, not very equal, more than Pakistan whole GDP. This only one city is equal to Pakistan GDP, means more than that one. And also it is more than Bangladesh also. This is what population we have been on today 2021 as estimated 139 crores population we have been. Our GDP is on to 2021 we are 3.5 trillion. That is what that time I showed, 2.87, that was 2019. Now 2021 3.5 trillion now. And 10 trillion is our triple P. Triple P will shows that how much big market is India, because we have more population, so we need more purchasing will be more, like clothes, all vehicles, cars, bikes, and each and everything, electronic devices, car, phone, smartphones, everything, and laptops and hardware devices. So on water supply it will be very big. Okay, we have been very more population than more than USA and all developed countries. So we are second big population, no, lower than China only. uh, Now let's I go towards rank. We are the sixth rank of sixth richest country of the world on today. When we are independent we are 27th richest country. And the third biggest market of our world. The GDP growth is 0.4 on this nominal GDP. Per capita is 2,191 dollars is per year. We have been per each person, so much will be income, and purchasing power is $7,000. Almost those ranks. Our agriculture is 16% of all our economy is based on 16% of agriculture, and 25% is industry, and manufacturing is 14%, and service sectors is 49%. This is all due to that we are very good on service sectors and IT sector. India is a hub of IT sectors, which is more income in that. So only our India has grown so fast is due to the IT sectors in softwares, information technology, IT means, and all. This is all or nothing, and labor force and everything. Unemployment rate is very low. Before it was more. And business rank, ease of doing business is 63rd, and our export is 313 billion. Today we have been our total exporting for other countries is 3.13 billion. This is very is equal to Pakistan GDP, whole GDP. Okay, so much we are doing export only. United States is 16 percent we're doing for United. European Union is 14. We need to make for with the both of them some free trade agreement, then we will get more profit because we're more exporting them. And United Arab, from that is some like agriculture products we're meeting for that, because they do not have water also, Arabs. And they do not grow any agriculture lot more so. And China is 5.3, Hong Kong. And we importing more, is importing only. We are more than we selling, we will more buy. See, 474 billion we are been importing all electronical devices like phones, cars, and like that. This is a really one big default. It's also good, no problem. It is also like sign of development. 14% doing from China only. That is, we need to lower that one very soon. We need to do that one. And United Kingdom, 7%. European Union and Arabs. Petrol we doing from Arab and Saudi there. FDI means foreign direct investment stock market, how much they are investing into our country. 51 billion they are investing and 12 billion they are withdrawing from our country. That's a very good thing. From many years we are developing lot more on every sectors. This all are the how much government is spending, how much government is getting profit or loss, like that. In foreign direct foreign reserve is a 579 billion. It is a very good sign. We can stay without working or without moving also. We can stay almost 1 year old. We are the fifth biggest reserve of the world in 579 billion. Some history we can go through us. See, this is a graph. In this we can see how much how we have been grown by stage and year by year. GDP per capita, share of the world. No, nominal GDP. Let we go to some more years. This is purchasing power. World share, how much is our Indian world share? In 2%, 3%, 4% we increased, 5%, 6%. Now we are on again in 6% world share of all thing. Growth rate also decreased, 4% near to that one. How is world is really, how much GDP of the world is there? World of 2021 Wikipedia. This is a graph. You can see USA is number 1, China is number 2, Japan, Germany, UK, India, France, Italy, Canada, and Korea. These three which we can see on here, how much they are been. We are richer than France, Italy, and Canada, Korea, all them country. We have been today almost in last year we were in more than UK, and this time because of COVID we came down. No problem, again we can get back after this all. See, this is the what, sixth richest country is our India is. You can see on here. How see in 2000, this is the 2019 World Bank given. This we are the fifth richest country. No, it is a 2020 due to the COVID-19. 2021 we have become sixth. No problem. We'll get back after this all. This is also given by, this data is given to United Nations. World Bank is better, I think. See, many years the UK is full, means they have been occupied us. Now today we are richer than this country. And that is 22 trillion is UK, China and Japan. After some more days, will be an more than in 2025 will more than Germany. Then when we'll go above them, their GDP only they will give us respect. On today, the German is giving little more less because of we are not greater than them. Once we go more than them, they all also start giving. UK also same thing. France and they are all not giving for us means respect in United Nations internationally. But now we are richer than them, so they also giving for us respect. This is what we achieved from many years. And today in 2050 we will be a number one of the world. It is no doubt with that one, because we growing from 27th we are in 6th position. Where is that numbers?